Match is going to be the award will be presented by Mr. Khalid Al-Zamil, VP Public Affairs of Aramco, Rohit Sharma, for his innings of 76 of 83 balls in what was a tricky run chase. Rohit, I hope you can hear me with all the cheers around.
No, it's very nice. Look, we played some really good cricket through the tournament, and to come out here having the result our way, it's a great feeling. Very, very happy with how we played this game.
Over the last two ODI campaigns, you've been a different batter than you were earlier on. Is this something you wanted from the side? Is this something you were very comfortable with? Is it something that you thought was needed?
Yeah, look, it's obviously not natural to me, but it is something I really wanted to do, and obviously when you're trying to do something different, you need the backing of the team, you need the backing of the management, and they were right through with me. In the ODI World Cup as well, with Rahul Bhai, this is what I spoke to him, and he was very much okay with it. And now, Gauti Bhai as well. So it's all about, getting that backing from the team as well and the management as well. And it is something that I really wanted to do. I've played all these years in a different style, but I wanted to try and do something different and try and see if we can play differently and get our results that we were looking for.
You're charging the fast bowlers, you're hitting them down the ground. At what point do you decide this shot is on? A bit predetermined, or you judge the length that quickly?
Having played here, on few occasions, you understand the nature of the pitch, what it does initially up front with the new ball, and then using my feet is something that I've been doing for a long time now, and it's just about being clear in your mind, and I was very clear in how I wanted to execute that first 5-6 overs. I've gotten out doing that as well, but I never wanted to look away from that. The results obviously is not going to be consistent in what I'm trying to achieve, but as long as it serves the purpose of the team, it serves the purpose of what we're trying to do, I'm happy with that.
Does the depth in the batting make it easier for you, that you've got batting all the way down?
Yeah, it makes a lot easier, and it gives you that freedom as well, which is why I said earlier as well that we wanted to have batting depth as long as possible, as deep as possible. Having playing 8 batsmen, Jadeja coming at 8, gives you that confidence to go slightly hard up front with the new ball, and then it comes off, it doesn't. So be it. As long as I'm clear in my mind, that is the most important thing.
Congratulations, you can sleep well, you've got it still in the way you're playing your cricket. Well played.
Thank you so much.